everyone, my name's Amanda and I'm kind of new here. So, I lied to you guys. I decided, you know what, I love watching unboxing videos. And so, I decided I'm gonna make them, dang it. It is my channel. Who cares? Right? Well, you might care and I will care later. But yeah, so what I'm doing is my Ipsy bag is here. Yay! Okay, so we're gonna see what's in here. Are we ready? Okay, we got this, and I haven't opened this, and this is why I'm driving. I have no self-control, so I just don't. So this here is a hand cream, and let's see, it's a cult classic body care hand cream from Cake, I believe. I don't have my glasses on, no contacts. I was just gonna get ready to go run errands with my grandparents, but hey, I can't see if that focused because I can't see you. But hey, there it is. There's item number 1. Item number 2 is dry shampoo from Oribe. Oh my, I've never owned anything from Oribe. I'm kind of excited because this is perfect. I'm going on vacation next month and that's coming with me. No, actually going on vacation. So, all right, next thing. Dirty Little Secrets. I have an eyeshadow crayon from them that I have only used once. You know, I think maybe I need to rediscover things in mine. Oh, guys. I got a single shadow in Sangria. Look at that color. That is like right up my alley, my favorite color for eyeshadow. Really, I have a fair amount of it on, blended out with some other things. So, yeah, that's going to the garbage. Okay, and bubble wrap. Oh, okay, I'm just a little more excited about the bubble wrap than I am about the product, which says something about me and my childish tendencies. And you know what, guys, I'm gonna get out the scissors because I want to save the bubble wrap. That is like one of life's little pleasures that doesn't cost anything. It's just a, yeah, okay. So this here is a contour palette. So you get a highlight, a bronzer, and a contour. And it's teeny tiny and adorable. And it's also going on vacation. You know, Ipsy, you have saved me quite a bit of vacation thinking. I like you. And also the last thing we got is, okay, the last thing I got is a NYX, a lip lingerie. It's in satin ribbon. I'm so excited. I've never tried this formula. I hear good things, I hear bad things. I am patient and I'll try it tomorrow because actually I think I'm gonna wait to try all of these until I get my BoxyCharm and then we'll try everything together but I'm impatient and I want my BoxyCharm here now. Yeah. So anyway, guys, Ipsy's here. Yeah. If you like what you see, awesome. Just hit the little, give me a thumbs up. You know, the thingy there. Or is it here? I don't remember. I think it's over here. I could be wrong. If it's over here, do the thumbs up. If not, hit the little subscribe dealie. And then hit the little bell thingy. Because then if you like what you see, you get the notifications that I posted something again. Yeah? See how that works? So like, subscribe, and if you want to see anything, leave me a comment below. Also, next week I am going to use a drugstore brand, Wet n Wild. Hands down my favorite brand in the drugstore. If I had to choose one brand, it would be Wet n Wild to use for the rest of my life. Wow, I'm really liking my makeup look without glasses. Now we'll see what I look like with glasses. So next week I'm going to go over some tips to get started. You know, the easy stuff to get started And by the easy stuff, I mean, how are you going to do things as a beginner? Yeah, so we'll do that. And if you guys want to see any other one brand looks, tell me, you know, down there in the comment section where you communicate with me. So I'm sorry, I'm giggling at myself because I realize I'm being really naggy and kind of silly at the same time. Anyway, so guys, like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. So if you want to see in the comment the question of forever, yeah, what drugstore brand do you want to see a full look of? And I'm saying drugstore because I'm cheap. You know that, right? Okay, we'll see you guys later. And bubble wrap. Oh, okay. That was so good. We'll talk to you guys later. Bye.